Okay, I hope this makes sense because I don't know. So let's say a Jewish soul is put into a non-Jewish body as a punishment, as we've talked before.
Yeah.
So if this person converts back to Judaism, is he gonna get back let's say the rest of the old soul that he used to have when he was a Jew, or he gets a completely new one?
I think exactly the same soul. It's so soul is something spiritual, and soul can be divided and can be even be reincarnated in like born in the same generation, right? It's two separate parts of the soul. So some parts of the soul that do not need to be corrected, they're not going to come, right? The soul is spiritual thing, so it could be the same soul, it could be different soul. Right, but looks like that the previous soul, if previous soul did not complete the tikkun, so for that person, for the person who went through Giur, get this soul that actually failed last time. So what is the point? It would be like reset. So we don't need that soul. You understand? Something different, something better, something more deserving. Okay.
Thank you, Rabbi.
Yes, good question. Thank you.